Okay, so now what we're going to do is to add a little more color on her lips and cheek. Okay, so once again, I'm gonna go back to the edited image just for me to copy or to pick the color that I would like to enhance. So in this case, I would like to use the color of the lips. I'm gonna click that. So see, lumitaw itong medyo dark pink. Now I'm gonna double click on my foreground color and make sure to get a lighter version of that color. Maybe lighter and a stronger version of that color. So there. And just as the same process dun sa ginawa ko noong nag-add ako ng light sa face, I'm just gonna add one more layer. Okay, let's rename this like light face. Okay, maybe you can come up with a better name, pero yun yung name lang na naisip ko. So this one, I'm gonna name it lips. Okay, and then I'm gonna use the brush tool, make the brush, oh no, not larger. Sa lips muna para tayo. And I'm just gonna spread it over the lips. Right? Oops, it's too much. There. And I'm gonna lower the opacity, make it little light lang, medyo subtle lang, little lighter. And then erase tool, see there? And then I'm just gonna clean up around it. Okay? Okay, so my erase tool medyo mababa siya, so medyo lalakasan ko yung aking erase tool. Kasi this time, I'm really erasing. Hindi ako like I want it to be clean thoroughly. So there. Very lightly, meron na siyang konting kulay sa lips. Right? Okay, now, yung blush on. I'm gonna add one more layer. You know, you don't really have to add more layer. This is just me. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, I'm Mr. Layer. Dahil kasi, and then I'm gonna name it blush on. Kasi pag layer, pag may mas, at least kung nagkamali ko sa isang layer, hindi na-apektuhan yung iba. But that's me. Yung iba, very organized siguro sila, in a way, at mas aware sila. So just as the same process, I'm just adding blush on her face. Now, this is one way, and there's another way of doing it. Let's say, ayoko nang masyadong dinidecrease yung opacity nito. I can decrease the opacity of my brush. I can just add very, very light blush on. Okay? There. And I can still lower the opacity. Halimbawa, na-apply ko na. And syempre, alam nga naman, i-erase ko pa yan. Mas mahirap yan. So, ibabaan ko na lang yung opacity nitong layer. So, with the low opacity, then hindi masyadong strong yung in-apply kong blush on. Okay? So, very, very light lang. Para mas maging... And you can also apply little red around the face. But make sure na hindi siya mukhang nabugbog. Para lang magmukha siyang totoong tao. Diba? Okay, so that's how you put some blush on or red on your image.